You ever heard of tactical Gramma?
Yes. I actually have.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay, it's all yours. Go ahead.
I only know a little bit.
Yeah,
But
go ahead.
apparently she's a really good Call of Duty player, and she's very old.
Well, she's 58. I mean,
Okay, well, yeah.
not the oldest grandma in the world, but
Yeah.
definitely not your typical Call of Duty gamer.
No.
This 58-year-old grandmother might be better at Call of Duty Warzone than you. Probably better than you, Will.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Oh, that's me too. Welcome
Yeah.
to the club. I once figured out a hack where I could just fly in a helicopter. Did I tell you about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was so happy with that. I was like, oh.
When the circle gets closer and closer, you're just up in the air.
There's something about battle royale games that makes me so badly want to find other things I can do that I'm not supposed to do. And it's dating back to, it's not even necessarily battle royale. It's anything with like a large world.
Well, that's the freedom.
Where I'm like, let me see if I can do
games.
this. Or let me see if I, anyway, yeah. So I would, and they fixed this. It's not, it doesn't, I'm pretty sure they fixed this. You can't do this anymore, but
Yeah.
you would just get to helicopter and you would stay airborne at the highest level and just rotate in around the edge of the thing.
Where no one can shoot you because you're too high.
And it was early days Warzone, so I don't know. Obviously,
Yeah.
people figured it out and they just shoot rockets at you or whatever, and it's over. But I actually successfully won a game that way, and I was way happier about that than winning the right way.
Yeah.
Just because it was just funny.
Right.
But anyway, I'm just spoiling games for everybody.
Uh-huh.
And the other thing is, if they do shoot it down, it still falls likely overhead, and sometimes it can fall on individuals who are the last remaining because they're in such a tight section.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, Don't get me started on that. We're such noobs.
Yeah,
Well,
fun times.
right now, Warzone people are like, "Hey, man, you don't know what you talking about. You don't be spreading that crap."
Yeah. You have to do it the right way.
Spreading that
You got to win the right
crap, you know. But also, they're also like, "Go ahead and try that on me.
way. Yeah.
Go ahead and try that. I'm
Punch you right in your stupid face.
I'm the tactical grandma. Why don't you try that with me?"
1-2 punch.
So she's 58 years old. She, I guess her husband or grandkids, who got her into it? I just read this. Anyway, she is on Facebook gaming and Twitch and now TikTok. And she got 570,000 followers, according to this article. Yeah, her husband and kids encouraged her to try streaming. Here's her quote. I'm like, no one's going to want to watch someone my age play video games. They're like, then you have nothing to worry about. If no one's going to be there, you might as well try it.
Mm-hmm.
So she did. And guess what? People started watching it. So I got a couple of clips here from TikTok. And apparently now she's streaming 40 hours a week. 6 days on Facebook gaming and then 2 days on Twitch. And it's your, I mean, look, there's like 1 million views on some of these clips. She knows how to snipe and,
Wow.
you know,
That's impressive.
I mean, she's taking care of business and everybody's very impressed. Everybody's very impressed with tactical grandma.
Yeah. Good for her.
Here's a comment from somebody. My grandma can't even use her phone correctly. Meanwhile, tactical grandma's out there sniping.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
Right on.
A prominent gamer by the name of Swag, a streamer with 1.5 million followers on Twitch, said, wait, this so dope. He creates content for FaZe Clan. So he thinks it's dope too. Who knows? Maybe we see her in the competitive scene. Tactical grandma.
She can play quads.
On a competitive scene.
Yeah, with those guys.
You never know. It's never too late. That's the lesson here, Will.
Yeah.
It's never too late.
Never too late for you.